Hi, I'm Thomas Schäfer. I'm working in the additive team of Siemens Digital Industries. I think there are so many highlights, but you really see the industry growing and the need for end-to-end solutions. So how do we make the ecosystem really grow and bring them different partners together to make the ecosystem even stronger? So one of our highlights this year is definitely our software stack. We also show this in a factory environment, how it's easily integrated onto the shop floors so that workers in factories can use their additive applications. And all of this, of course, always in the aspects of sustainability, so how to make additive production more sustainable. MindSphere is our cloud operating system, which enables others to develop their own apps, use our apps, and bring new values to their customers. So what you see here on the screen is the Workflow Center coming from DyeMansion. So this is an application DyeMansion developed on our cloud platform, MindSphere, to gain exactly this transparency, to capture data and to make it even for the user more easy to really operate the systems in an industrial environment. I think the most important thing was that the approach of DyeMansion team was really customer-centric. So they went to their customers, asked, okay, what's the analytics and the data points you really need? And I think that was a really great approach. And we see it also in the app that we have achieved really great results. We can have different dashboards, we can have the job history, but also for service reasons have a direct interface of bringing data from the field level into the cloud and make it more easy to service the machines.